quiz series, and how would you make it different next year?
The quiz was fantastic. I think the whole raison d'etre of the entire series was to make it accessible to people, as many people as possible, rather than follow the norm of inviting 2 or 3 kids from every school. We take it out, we get maybe 100, 150, in some cases even 300 children from a school sitting for the test and getting that whole quizzing experience. And I think that was one of the best parts about this event. The finale, coming in with all the winners from every school, so you got a whole layered experience coming in.
We covered a lot of Delhi and surrounding areas, so we got in teams that represented different types of families, different types of exposures, backgrounds, areas, so the whole mix became so eclectic, just like, you know, the portfolio of books from DK, for instance. So it's just a lot of diversity, which is what we wanted, and I think we managed to achieve.
And from a different perspective this time, was it the quiz perspective, the different teams, and making sure that, you know, everything was ready in the backstage, scenario? How was that, and how was the experience of that? I mean, 30 quizzes and then finally one grueling session today in the end.
You know, it's always nerve-wracking, because even though you've got everything planned out, you know, something or the other is going to go wrong.
Act of God.
Yeah. The point is to do the best that you can, and we are blessed to have a really good team. And I think for this quiz particularly, we got 2 other agencies that we organically sort of came together, and everyone did their job and rose a little more, you know, to the occasion. So it all came together beautifully.
Video something.
So yeah.
Yeah, for me the highlights, the biggest thing was the diversity, as Mudita said, that we reached out to so many different people. We had a government school from Faridabad. We had what I personally felt was, for me, the acme of the quiz was the 322-year-old Anglo-Arabic public school, where we conducted a quiz. It is the oldest school in North India, and it is a fantastic experience to be there. They weren't very good quizzers. They're all from reasonably conservative families, and their knowledge spheres are not very large. But as a venue, it was great to have a quiz there. And I think the exposure that they've got this time, it'll help them in the next year.